yana bir savol ko'rib chiqamiz. Let's see English qismida. FedEx and UPS now provide online tracking of packages for the consumer. Demek, tracking of packages for the consumer. It's interesting to log on and see the journey that a purchase has traveled to go from source to destination. Ne bu kısımlarda ne kadar bizlerden purchase'ımız sokuyorlarsa ve joydan joy'a boş eğlenmeyici. Each time an arrival and the departure are scanned, that item must be picked up and by an employee. Demek, must be picked up by an employee. Place it on a moving belt to take a separation system, and then place it on another vehicle for its next leg of sojourn. Holiday season put these logistics systems to a single test each year, and the companies single test each year. And companies in the business of logistics are constantly investing in new ways to handle information. Demek, şu sütü bilenlerki companies ham rivojlanishga qo'yapti, and they are investing in the new ways to handle the inform. And the items as they flow through the pipelines. Billions of dollars have been invested in these types of service industries, and the activity behind the scenes is something to behold. The author's attitude toward the process of logistical distribution can be best described as Nere bu tabisin faktörü, şu narsalarni o'ziga insonni o'zi attitudini ko'rarkan o'zi shunga qanaqa munosabatlar beradi. A. Skeptical, B. Positive, C. Neutral, and Z. Both. Hop. Bularni hammasi yozilgan, aytib chiqilgan. Shu narsalar rivojlanyapti, bunday rivojlanadi ham. Something to behold bilan shuni tushunib bo'ladi. Bu juda pozitiv ham emas, negativ ham emas. Bu yerda juda ham ajoyib gaplar yo'q va negativ ham skeptical. Ko'proq ishonchsizlik bildiradi. Pozitiv esa shuni ko'proq neutral.